Today I will show you how to use TikTok on PC just like mobile view, so without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Not many people know that you can use TikTok from within any browser on a PC. You don't need to install any app to use it. On your PC, open up a web browser and go to toktok.com. If you click the menu button from the top left of the screen, you can select the For You and Discover page. This is a weird web view of TikTok. It's possible to use a trick to make it look like the mobile app. To do that, open up the developer option of your browser. If you are on Chrome, you can get to them by clicking the menu button on the top right of the screen, selecting More Tools, and the Developer Tools. In the Developer Tools, you just want to enable this button called Device Toggle Toolbar. This will emulate a phone screen and make TikTok to mobile view. You can play around with the mobile model and sizes of the screen up here. To get desktop view again, exit the developer tools and reload the page. If you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.